Most people get this wrong when trying to start a US LLC from Nigeria, and it usually leads to delays, rejected filings, or banking issues later. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking this process requires you to travel to the US or have a US address. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can fully register a US LLC from Nigeria in 2026 without ever leaving your home, as long as you follow the correct structure. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Nigerians can form a US LLC step by step, what documents you need, how long it takes, and how to avoid common mistakes that block bank accounts or payment processing. This matters because many Nigerian entrepreneurs are now building global businesses, but most fail at setup due to missing details. Let's start with the basics. A US LLC is a limited liability company registered in a US state like Wyoming, Delaware, or New Mexico. It allows you to operate a business under US law, even if you live outside the US. Now here's where it gets interesting. The entire setup process is remote and handled online through registered agents. Step 1 is choosing your state. Wyoming is the most popular for beginners because it has low fees, strong privacy, and simple compliance rules. Delaware is more legal heavy and better for startups planning investors. New Mexico is cheaper but less commonly used for banking setups. Step 2 is choosing a registered agent. This is mandatory. A registered agent is a US-based service that receives legal and government documents on your behalf. Without one, your LLC cannot exist legally. Companies like Northwest or similar services usually handle this for foreigners. Step 3 is filing your LLC formation documents, called the Articles of Organization. This is submitted to the state where you are registering. You will provide your LLC name, registered agent details, and ownership structure. In most cases, approval takes just a few business days. Now here's the part where most people fail. After forming your LLC, you must get an IN from the IRS. This is your tax identification number. As a non-US resident, you usually apply using Form SS4. Sometimes you may need to call the IRS or use an authorized third-party service to complete it. Step 4 is opening a business bank account. This is where many Nigerians struggle. Traditional US banks often require in-person verification, so many founders use fintech solutions like Mercury or Relay that support non-residents. This step is critical for receiving international payments. In a minute, here is something very important. Your LLC setup is not complete without understanding compliance. You may still need annual reports, state fees, and proper tax filings depending on where your clients are and how your income is structured. To summarize, starting a US LLC from Nigeria is completely legal and fully remote. You choose a state, hire a registered agent, file your LLC, get an IN, and set up banking. The key is doing it in the right order and avoiding shortcuts that cause banking or compliance issues later. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more global business guides, and comment what type of business you want to build from Nigeria.